Welcome to a series of our online workshop, proudly brought to you by the Elderly Service Project team under NUS Computing Club. This video is for Apple users. Today's lesson will be about WhatsApp. We will learn about the WhatsApp status, chat background, and stickers. Today, we will be learning about WhatsApp status update. Status update is like a Facebook post. It is where you can post words or photos or even a video which you want to share with everyone who adds you on WhatsApp. So instead of sending one message to one person or one group at a time, status lets you share your message with everyone in your contact list. To find the status page, we tap on the word status at the bottom left. To post a status, we shall tap on the white circle with a picture of a pencil. It will bring you to this page where you can type a message for everyone in your contact list. If you feel that the background is too light for the words to be seen, you can tap on the picture of an easel. To some of you, it may look like a speech bubble with 4 dots. Tapping on this would change the color of the background. Once you are done, you can tap on the blue arrow and it will be posted onto WhatsApp for everyone to see. Now, I know some aunties and uncles like to send good morning pictures to their friends and families. Let me show you how this can be done on WhatsApp status so that everyone can see your well wishes. Then, next time, you won't have to send them one by one to each of your loved ones. Just one status update and everyone can see it. To do this, we have to tap on the camera button. It will bring you to the camera where you can either take a photo or a video, or choose a photo or a video inside your phone. After getting your photo, it brings you to this page where you can edit your photo. If you want to add an emoji or a picture, you can tap on the smiley face at the top. Tapping on the sticker will make it appear in the photo. I want to move it away because it is blocking the center. Press on the sticker and move it to the corner. To change the size, use 2 fingers to press and hold the sticker. Moving my fingers apart will grow the sticker. Moving my fingers closer will decrease the size of the sticker. To delete the sticker, press and hold the sticker with 1 finger. At the top left, a picture of a dustbin will appear. Drag the sticker on top of the dustbin and release your finger. That is how you delete your sticker. Now, I want to type out a message on top of the picture. I tap on T to type my message. You can change the colors at the colorful sidebar. To move it away like the sticker, I just have to press and hold the message. If I want the size of the message to change, I just have to tap on it with 2 fingers and make it bigger or smaller. If I decide that I don't want the message, I just have to drag it slowly to the top left corner to the dustbin to throw it away. It is just like what we did with the sticker. What if we want to draw? We can tap on the picture of a pencil. Then, we choose a color from the rainbow and start drawing. I am going to draw a picture of a heart. If you drew wrongly, it is okay. We just have to tap on the arrow at the top and the mistake is completely erased. Then, we can tap on the pencil picture to continue drawing. You can also put a filter to make the picture look nicer. Take your finger, put it on the picture, and drag upwards. Now I can recolor the picture. I decide to choose this color because it looks nice. To confirm, tap on the biggest picture. I am now happy with this picture, and I want to share it with everyone. So I tap on the blue button at the bottom, and it is shared to everyone in my contact list. That's all for status update. Now, we will learn how to change the background of your messages. We tap Settings at the bottom right corner, then Chats. To change the wallpaper, we tap on Wallpaper. we can tap on Photos to find pictures on our phone. Here, I decided on this picture for my background, and this is how it will look in my messages. If you do not like the picture you have chosen, you can click Cancel, or else let's tap on the word Set to confirm. Now, we will be sharing with you how to create your very own stickers and how to use them in WhatsApp. Firstly, please download the application Stickerly from App Store or Google Play Store. With this application, you will be able to add and create stickers for WhatsApp. We will be sharing with you how to add the default stickers. These stickers are very cute. I would want to add them to my WhatsApp. To do so, click on the Get button near the top of the sticker and click the large blue bar Save. Now, the stickers are in your WhatsApp. Let's send these stickers to your friends now. Open up your WhatsApp and click on the friend you want to chat to. Click on the text box to open up your keypad. Could you see this folded square at the end of the chat box? That is where all your stickers are at. If you wish to send a sticker to your friend, simply click on it. Next, we will be sharing with you how to add stickers sent by your friend. This sticker is sent by my friend and I find it so cute. But how do I get this sticker? Simply press down on the sticker for a while until this list pops up. Click on the star. To use the sticker, click on the square at the end of the chat box. Click on the star icon. This is where all the stickers you like that your friends have sent you. Let's do something fun now, creating your own stickers. Go to Stickerly. At the bottom right hand corner, click on the person, then the blue round button in the middle. Enter the sticker name in the first row and your name in the second row. You will be directed to this empty page. Click on the blue round button and choose the picture you want. Remember to allow the application to enter your picture folder. There are two ways to create the sticker. For the first method, click on the marker icon at the bottom. This will help you cut the sticker nicely like this. If you are happy with this sticker, click on Save button on the top right. For the second method, you can click on the hand icon at the button. Use your finger to trace around the flower and click Save. That is how you can create your own stickers. Some things to take note of. You will need to have at least 3 stickers to save them into WhatsApp. When you have 3 or more stickers created already, you will see that the WhatsApp icon will turn green. Click on it and then save it. You can go into WhatsApp and see that your very own stickers are inside. To delete stickers, click on the folded square at the end of the chat box. This is where you can find all your stickers. Click on the plus sign at the end. At the top, you could see 2 rectangles. Click on the right rectangle, My Stickers. Then, click on the Edit button that can be found at the top right corner. After you click that, you will realize that next to each of the stickers, there will be a red circle. Find the sticker that you want to delete. For me, I want to remove the pigs. So I will click on the red circle next to the pigs. A big red rectangle will appear. Click on it. A list will appear. Click Delete. Once you are done, click on the top right corner Done. This is how you delete stickers. We hope that you have fun creating and adding stickers with your friends. Thank you.